Hello guys, I'll be going over the MIT and Arduino code for our space heater project. So right here, this is what our UI looks like. You can see we have the heater controller, we have a fan controller, we have a heat temp, and then we have ambient temp, and then we have update button. And then right here we have a temperature controller. So going over just over quickly, trying to keep this video under a minute. We have a heat high, we have a heat low, we have a heat off, we have a fan on, fan off. These essentially control the heaters and fans. When the heater's on, we want the fan on every single time. You're gonna see that in the code. And these heat and ambient temperature, we have two sensors in the bot, and essentially this button updates that. And we kind of use some array splitting to do this. Going over the MIT blocks quickly. Um, you can see over here, list picker to get the Bluetooth. I think that's pretty standard. And then over here, these buttons just send to the to the code or to the serial monitor, seeing like, hey, what do we want to do? High heat, low heat, basic. Over here, this is where we do the little array splitting stuff. It looks harder than it actually is. And then over here, this button 7. This is where we do the controller. We send one message to say, hey, we want to do this, and then we send a second message saying what the desired temperature is. Going over the Arduino code, we set a couple of pins to constant variables. We initialize a command integer, and then we set these two output ports, begin the serial monitor. Over here, these two blocks are converting the two temperatures from the two sensors to Fahrenheit. And then over here, we set the command variable. And then you can see right here, we have a bunch of if-else statements that says, hey, what is the current like command getting sent? And those are those letters. And we just have in ASCII right now. And then it just allocates what you want to do. So for example, 72 would be H on the ASCII table. And then right here, you can see we turn on the high heat. Right here, we turn on low heat, just turn on one pin. And then kind of like the same thing for everything. The two parts that are kind of different are this temperature right here. So this temperature essentially we allocate for the troughs and the high voltages jumps right here. And then right here is what we output. So we output temperature. We output the first temperature, which is the heater, and then we output the ambient temperature as well. And then that's why we do the array splitting the MIT app. And then down here, this is where we do the temperature controller. We first have the command X. We can wait a couple seconds, and then we read the serial monitor again, and then that's where our desired temperature comes in, and we do a little conversion to int, and then we do a comparison. If the desired temperature is higher, we turn on the heat, and the desired temperature is lower than the environment, then we turn off the heaters. And yeah, this is kind of how our code works for the backend. Thank you very much. Try to keep it short and sweet for you guys. Thank you.